Children with autism, do not tell a lie. Children with autism, never tell a lie. Children with autism do not know what is a lie. Children with autism do not know how to tell a lie. Children with autism do not know why to tell a lie. Children with autism do not know when to tell a lie. Children with autism do not know whom to tell a lie. Children with autism do not know where to tell a lie. Children with autism do not try to tell a lie. Children with autism do not need to tell a lie. I am an autistic baby. I do have a dream. I am an autistic baby. I do see a dream. Autistic children, never alone. We do love you. Autistic children, never alone. We do feel you. Live long, be happy. Be happy, live long. May you live long. May you be happy. May you live long. May you be pretty. Where is social dogma? Where is superstition? Should be removed. Where is social dogma? Where is superstition? Must be stopped. Change your lifestyle. Change your life. Change your outlook. Change your life. Autistic children, our beloved, our sweetheart. Autistic children, our friends, our sweet soul. Never dominate autistic children. They are our blessings. Never exploit autistic children. They are our blessings. Do not hurt autistic children. Never pain them. Do not hurt autistic children. Never pain them. Autistic children, heavenly children, love them cordially. Autistic children, angel children, feel them heartiestly. Autistic children, never burden. Do not make them sadden. Autistic children, never burden. Do not keep them hidden. Stop killing autistic children. Stop fighting. Stop killing autistic children. Stop bombing. Stop killing autistic children. Stop bleeding. Stop killing autistic children. Stop genocide. Guide properly autistic children. They can do. Teach properly autistic children. They must do. Handle accurately. They can do. Care accurately. They must do. Give them education inclusively. Give them health care comprehensively. Autistic children, never burden. flame of candle. Autistic children never burden messengers of heaven. Autistic children never burden living in the hearts. Autistic children never burden living in the souls. Autistic children never burden ringing into the hearts. Autistic children never burden ringing in the souls. Autistic children never burden, they do have some dreams. Autistic children never burden, they do have some imaginations. Autistic children never burden flowers of garden. Autistic children never burden tulips of garden. Please do not neglect children with autism. We do love them. Please do not dominate them. We do feel them. Mission and vision, peace and justice, mission and vision, establishing human rights. Autistic children, our children, beloved children to all. Autistic children, our children, heart feeling to all. Why do you hate loving children with autism? Why do you exploit loving children with autism? We are peace loving. Why do you dominate loving children with autism? Why do you deprive loving children with autism? We are harmony loving. Why do you oppress loving children with autism? Why do you depress loving children with autism? We do love them, we do feel them. Love to the children with autism. Love to the Almighty Creator. Do not neglect autistic children. They can do. Never dominate autistic children. They must do. Do not deprive autistic children. They can do. Never exploit autistic children. They must do. Distinguished ladies and gentlemen, we do have some duties, we do have some responsibilities loving our angel children with autism. It is our duty. God must be pleased if we all do something for loving children with autism. Thank you.